Welcome back, my friends. Today we are making these delicious Puerto Rican style red beans, Habichuelas Guisadas puertorriqueñas. To make our fantabulous Puerto Rican style red beans, we are going to be using 1/4 cup of the tomato sauce, 1 can of the Goya small red beans, and then 1 can of water, a little bit of adobo, a little sprinkle of oregano. I have 1 cup of butternut squash, but you are welcome to simply use potato. I just love the nuttiness that the butternut squash gives to the beans and the sweetness as well. These I just had frozen ahead of time because I had bought one. So I just had diced them up, placed them in a Ziploc bag, and placed them in the freezer. So they're still a little frozen, but that's okay. I have about 1 cup of ham. You can use whatever meat you'd like. You can use kielbasa, you can use sausage, you can use hot dogs, whatever you'd like. I found this amazing ham on sale for 89 cents a pound. So I bought it and I did the same thing I did with the butternut squash. I just diced it up and stored it in the freezer. A little bit of olive oil, a couple cloves of garlic, and some sofrito. I wanted to share this sofrito with you guys because it's the first time I buy it. And let me tell you, it is the closest thing to my homemade sofrito. I saw it at Walmart and I was like, let me give this a try because of the color and what it looked like. And I bought it, and I have to say, this is way better than Goya's. It tastes more fresh, and I almost forgot to mention a little packet of sazon. Now let's go ahead and get this yumminess started. All right, friends, first we're going to start by turning our heat up to about a medium or medium high. And I'm going to add some olive oil in the pot. I'm going to say this is about 1 tablespoon. Next, let's go ahead and add in our ham. Yummy, yummy ham. And we're just going to saute this. Help it release all those yummy flavors. I've been sauteing my ham for about 4 to 5 minutes because mine was frozen. You can saute yours until it starts browning. Now we're simply going to create the base for our beans. So I'm going to add 2 heaping tablespoons of my sofrito. You can always put more. My 1/4 cup of the tomato sauce. My cloves of minced garlic. I'm gonna give everything a nice mixing. I'm gonna add a little dash of oregano. Not too much. Just a little splash of it. 1 teaspoon of adobo. And my 1 packet of sazon. Mix everything well again. Once I've made this paste, I'm going to go ahead and add my beans. And along with those beans, I'm adding my 1 can of water. Give everything a nice mix. And add the butternut squash or the potatoes. Now, if you want to, you can also add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olives. It's all up to your preference. You can give it a taste if it needs a little bit more salt. You can add a tad little bit of salt. I'm going to let the ham just release its juices, and since the ham is salty itself, it should suffice. And I'm going to wait till this comes to a complete boil. Once the beans reach to this boiling point, let's go ahead and give it a nice stir. And we're going to let them boil for 10 additional minutes. What's going to start happening within these 10 minutes is that this delicious sauce right here is going to start to thicken. So we're going to just let it in there, stir it occasionally, let it boil for the next 10 minutes and let it do its magic. All right, friends, now that the 10 minutes are up, we're going to go ahead and give it one final mixing, and look how nice this sauce is looking. Oh, so perfect. I'm gonna give it one final mixing. Next, let's go ahead and turn our burner all the way to low, and we're going to cover this up and let's let it cook for 10 additional minutes. All right, friends, it's been 10 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and turn the burner off and let's check in on these beans. Oh, they smell so delicious and they just look so good. I can't wait to give them a try. You see how nice and thick the sauce got? Yummy. Habichuelas guisadas are traditionally served with white rice. And on the side, we can simply serve it with some chicken, fried pork chops, roasted pork, and a side of tostones or maduros, all of which I have videos for in my channel, so make sure to check those out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.